everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and to continue our slow cooker series, I'm changing it up and showing you a breakfast item. So I'm going to be making a oatmeal in the slow cooker that you don't have to watch over. So if you like slow cooker recipes, subscribe and keep watching. Alright, welcome back. So to make this steel cut oatmeal, you just need a handful of ingredients. Your key ingredient is going to be some steel cut oats. Not the original, but the steel cut ones that are not quick cooking either. You want just the original steel cut oats. And then you're just going to need a few other ingredients like some liquids. I have about 2 cups of water with 2 cups of sweetened almond milk or unsweetened almond milk, and then just some vanilla extract and a little bit of cinnamon. So all I'm going to do is dump all of this into my slow cooker. So there's my steel cut oats. Here is my unsweetened almond milk, water, and then a little bit of vanilla extract, about 2 teaspoons, and then a good dash of cinnamon powder. And then all you're gonna do is stir this up and put this on low for 4 hours, or you can put it on, that is high on 4 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. And that's it. You can wake up to fresh oatmeal. Alright, so I already made a batch from before in my Instant Pot that can double as a slow cooker as well. And this is it. Look at that. The texture is perfect. And you didn't even have to spend 20 minutes on a stovetop to get to this. So that is awesome. So I have a bowl in front of me that I'm just going to serve a little up in. And then topping wise, I do like to add a little bit of extra cinnamon on top, a little bit of granola for extra crunch, a little bit of extra strawberries or whatever kind of fresh fruit that you have, and then to add a little bit of sweetness. You can use any kind of sweetener that you want. I just have agave right here, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of agave, some fresh strawberries, a little bit of granola, and then top it off with some cinnamon and give this a taste. All right. So perfect. The texture is so nice and creamy. I love steel cut oats because it just has a chewier texture than rolled oats. So delicious, so easy. If you guys like slow cooker recipes, please subscribe, like, comment, and as always, live life tastefully balanced. Okay, sorry.